Alright, here's a 56-inch Westinghouse industrial ceiling fan. So that is a Westinghouse. So there is a 56 metal blade. So that is a 56 inches metal blade. There is a strong motor. So what there is a fan motor. So there is this is a 56 metal blade. So there is a ceiling fan metal blade. It is a 3 metal blade. There is a strong motor. This certified product city DTI Philippines. So there is a switch here on the back. Okay, and let's switch this on. So let us switch this on. Okay, so let's switch this on. Then turn on 5-speed. Okay, so what there is every low, it does 5-speed. So there is a quick setting. So there is a 5-speed and a go. Okay, so there is a leather blade, and there is a strong motor, and there is a 4-speed. So there is a 5-speed control. So and what did you see? There's a 5-speed, and what this seat is, what this is number 5. So that is a 5-speed control motor. Let's see this. Let's see this. Start this 4. Okay. So let this balance motor. So let's see this. And what it is a 4-speed. Okay. So let this 4-speed here. And what this is a 4-speed control. So, and what there is a ceiling fan here, and there is a motor. So right there is a 4-speed. And what let's see this. And what let's start this. And what let's see this another 4-speed. So there is a 4-speed control. And what let's see this high capacitor motor. So what let's see there is a high speed and that's the 4-speed region. So right there is a control speed. So right there is a 4, number 4, and right there is a switch. That's a letter switch in the back. And what let's see this. And what let's see the switch here selector. Okay, let's see this this, and what I'll see this number 3. Okay, so that is number 3, and what there is 3-speed, and what let's see this motor, what let's see the 3-speed here, and what let's see this. Okay, what is the 4-speed control, and that is the 3-speed control here, and that is the number 3, and right there is airbro metal blade, 3-ring metal blade in throttle. So let's see this high speed motor. Okay, so let's see this this. Okay, so that there is born in China, and what there is another blade, and what let's see this. Okay, so let's go there. Let's see down the 4-speed, the 5-speed, 4-speed, and 3-speed control. Okay, let's see this a 2-speed. There you go. let that is 2 speed here, and what there is 2 speed, and let's see this 2 speed here. Okay, and let this 2 speed every 2 motor. So now let's see this, and what let's see this was the, let's see there's a high motor, this number 2 speed, and okay. Now let's see this is start a 1. There you go. And let's see this, and what this part of this wobble. So there is a high speed wobble here. This every strong motor, and let's see this, and that is the high speed motor, and there's a high speed capacitor motor. So let's see this motor, capacitor motor, and what let's see this every wobbling, and what let's see this, and what let's see this high speed. Okay, and let's see this speeds, the speed down, this number 1. Okay, speed down off. There you go. And let's see this, and let's see, and what this shut this off. Okay, and what let's see this and then stop the braided stop. Okay, so let's see this nether braid that does a Westinghouse, and what is stopping nether braid. So let's see this, and what this Westinghouse ceiling fan nether braid review, and those is stop and then the braid, this speed down. So what the speed down motor, and what is the motor position, and what is capacitor motor, and that stop. Okay, so let's see this, and let's see this nether blade, let's speed down 0, and let's see this, let's turn this off. There you go. Okay, so let this nether blade, and let it stop, and let this nether blade, let it stop this. This the Westinghouse does your nether blade, and thanks guys for watching, and see you next time. Thanks guys.